already packed and it's only 10:06. It's gonna be a good day here. All right. I think I can sit here right at the entrance and just watch bikes come in and out all day. Check it out. You guys see this area right here? It's all dirt. Probably about another hour, this will all be filled up with bikes. The overflow goes right here, I think. Check out this beautiful bike right here. That's not even in the show, that's just outside the vendors' tents. How beautiful these bikes are. Check out this Harley right here. That's beautiful. That'd be cool. This year's Born Freeze turned out to be a good one this year. A lot of vendors. Seems more packed this year. It's only 10:20 and this place is already mobbing with people. I think on the flyer it says it opens at 10, but man, there's people everywhere. It's crispy, but it's gonna be a beautiful day. I mean, check this out. I'm sitting on a little hill. Look at that. Last year that wasn't filled in. Now this is all filled in. And what's cool this year is I've noticed that there's a lot more families, a lot more kids. So that means kids are getting more involved with the motorcycle scene, which means that'll get passed on, which is good. It's really good. I'm glad that families are being more active in it. Let's go check out the People's Champ. Look at these beautiful bikes. All right, guys, here it is. Check out a different style of Pan America. There it is, guys. Got rid of the off-road wheels with some nice chrome. This is what I could do right here. Look at that. T-bar handles. There's some speakers on right there. It's a lot of work for my Pan America. Here we go, guys, another Pan America right here. Check that out. Kind of like mine, but definitely not mine. Paint job on it, sick. It's a cool Pan America. That is a clean bagger right there. Look at that. Wow. Super nice. I could sit here all day and just watch bikes go by. All right, guys. Well, that's it for Born Free for me. It is crispy. I'm melting away right here. Great show, great time, a lot of fun. I mean, kick-ass time. If you ever get a chance to go to Born Free, I highly recommend it. Everybody's super cool, super friendly. And again, this year I saw a lot more kids hanging out, and I think that's awesome. We need to bring more kids into this type of thing, you know, motorcycle environment. But yeah, I mean, just look at it now. When I came in, this thing wasn't even filled. Now look at it. Pretty much as far as the eye could see. All right, guys, with that being said, I'm out of here. Stay dirty, my friends.